So what is up, Toshi fam? We are back with another video on Toshi, and today we're going to be taking a look at what Toshi has been doing in the market recently. As we all know, Toshi has been outperforming the market. As most of the market was down, Toshi was doing really good. As we looked at in the last video, it was up 63% while the market was still down. Most of the market was bleeding. Now the market has somewhat kind of recovered, but again, Toshi is still doing really great. So we're going to be taking another look at what Toshi is doing right now and how it has changed. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Toshi right now. It is up about 27% in just the past week, and in just the past 24 hours it's up around 7.4%, right? It did peak a little higher yesterday around 10 p.m, but again, it's still doing really good. It still has its time to rise. As we looked at the last time, it was doing really good. But let's head on over to DEX mode to take a better look at the chart, because sometimes the other graph doesn't give you much detail. So again, as we looked at the last time that this was doing really good, if we look at from the low to the high, let's not even take the peaks. Even without the peaks, this was 55%, and if we look at from the low to the high, this was about an 85% difference. So again, it was doing really good while most of the market was down. If we look at the rest of the market right now, again, it's not too great, but it's doing a lot better right now. Market cap up around 2% in just the past 24 hours. Really good. Bitcoin up 1.2%, Ethereum up as well. So we see most of these coins recovering. We're seeing green numbers now in the weekly and the past 24 hours. So that's again good to see. We're still in the extreme fear though. Again, we're gonna stay here for a bit, and then we're still gonna be in the fear, but we have moved a little bit up since we were in the we were in 8, I believe, on the fear and greed index. We went so lower, actually 5, which is absolutely crazy. Again, we haven't been this low for quite a long time. Again, we've 5 is the lowest we've been throughout this whole year. Just a few months ago we were at 10, 12, whatever, and the highest we have been is 73 this past year. So again, we are currently at the lowest point of the year, but hopefully we could make it out of this zone. But again, even if we look at the average crypto RSI, we're still overbought. So there's a chance we might be going even lower than what we currently are right now. So most of these are overbought right now. Bitcoin in the gray area, but let's see what the market does. But for looking at Toshi, it's still doing a really good job keeping up. And again, as we looked at 80%, 60%, right, it's still doing really good even on the weekly as well. Current market cap sitting at about $103 million, up around 6.8% the past 24 hours, and volume at $45 million, up 20% from the last 24 hours, which is really good. So we could just see Toshi just keeps on growing and growing. Within the past month, it's down 25%, but again, we saw how the market was within the past month. We're slowly trying to recover, make a reversal. As we could see, this is starting to pick back up. This could be our sign for a reversal. Again, we went all the way down to 0.3017, and now we're back to 302324, right, whatever that range. So we're going higher and higher. If we look at community sentiment right now, we're at about 86% bullish on the coin. Really good. We can see now that Toshi is coming, you're gonna get a lot of FUD from other groups. Use the block button, right? I see the FUD coming. We can see Toshi, people are opening long positions on Toshi. Another useless cat meme coin, what's the point, right? We see other negative comments, but again, if this was a rug pull, this could have could have been rug pulled years ago. This coin has been in the market since August of 2023. Again, it's been multiple years, 2.5 years. So if this creator was gonna rug this coin, it should have been happened already. But again, since this coin still continues to go, it's still growing, it has a strong community, I don't think this is getting rugged anytime soon. We could see, remember my words, 1 2 3 years it's going to 1 cent, 10 cents actually. Ignore the FUD, guys. Toshi has big plans, right? If this hasn't dumped in 2.5 years, it's most likely going to keep on going. Chart looking like a cold spring, ready for the big pump. So people are just speculating the big pump coming to Toshi. The face of base always been chosen. It's time to shine soon, right? DCA into Toshi to get him in a 10 million Toshi for 100 grand when it reaches 1 cent, easy money, right? So we see all of these positive comments on Toshi because people recognize the potential that Toshi has. The community is still keeping up the hype around Toshi. If we check out the X as well, we could see that the community on X is also active. We could see they're sitting at about 112k followers, constantly active on X. Neon Genesis Blue Cat, we see them posting regular memes to keep the community going, and we see them doing collaborations as well, thanking the creators, and again, overall just keeping the community alive, which is really good to see that the community is not dying out. It's still active. People are engaging with the coin, people are trading the coin, people are posting comments about the coin, and that is what's keeping this up, and the chart keeps moving up as well. So again, really huge potential coin in the market right now. As the market is kind of recovering, this will go even higher. And again, we're moving closer and closer to altcoin season because we've been in the Bitcoin bull run for quite a long time again, and now Bitcoin has come down a lot from its all-time high. If we look at the yearly chart, we could see Bitcoin was at 124,000, right? And now it even went down to 62,000, so half of the price, which is again absolutely crazy. So it went down 50% in just a couple months. So again, it also ran a lot. So if Bitcoin is down, it's time for altcoin season. So again, be prepared for altcoin season because it's coming very soon and it's gonna be crazy. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Toshi, what Toshi is doing in the market right now. Again, it's not holding it back. Hopefully this is going to be the reversal of Toshi, and again, we saw it outperform the market within just the past week. So again, hopefully it keeps going, and we'll also keep you updated. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi and what your next price target for Toshi is, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.